megalayapost.news.
Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law.
Namar Blabun plan kijing jia basusi ki baju jia ha kasruk ba National Highway babun ki mesim bakordor ki ladu ela kajing im tang nakada kajing nya buan ki driver ber kajing nya klem akor ya ki kali ki he officer Karibhoy district nadu deputy commissioner wa Bilash Baranwal senior superintendent of police Karibhoy district UVS Rathor ba district transport officer Karibhoy uba e Kharmon ki lahiyar surok sendon bani khanra lang ki kali bapen khenyan Nagalyang ka Borson Shar district balai tre lang nadu ka office deputy commissioner ka office USP Karibhoy district bat ka office district transport officer kleitre lang ban khenra kali menta ka janmi hanong po bar hakiwei pat ki jaka ba kham longsor kum ha bernihan khamara umsning bat khamara ha ka ba ki bor pulen bat ki officer ki labat na phang khlam jingma badan kuna ya ki tu ki kali ba pen khenyan kani ka jingte lakam ka kanthum nadu ki driver badi buang ha ka por banyak kali ka jing bom dang helmet ka jing pen hairstyle iki kali ka jing bom biang ki kod isla ha ka ba klem ma yenoi noru tang sulap la dan ben da ka kuna ki badai kat kom ka kendon jong ka an ha kani ka jing khenra kali bun ki kali ki ba pen khenyan ki la ban siu ka kuna lengba ka ichalan ha ka ba la dan kuna ki kali ki ba pen khenyan ayo lum jing tep ru la kumnu tang menta ka janmil ayo dan kuna hadu lailak duna na ki kali ki ba pen khenyan hadu batho e kani ka khubor bat ka jing khenra kali kadang peteng shakman
yano changa DC sir donga aro SP sir donga aro district administration aro police ni gata ansang jerangan ya ramauri enga chum gari rang warang jerangan violate ka enga liam rang ko pe mungna jerangan re enga chum ba churunge habi jabi ekti mungna ramarang jerangan oya jake gari salenga chum warang ko changa ni rokna gata ya administration gata ni roknya aro je akode mamung sorok rango asel ongjana gata ba mamung accident ni koborang dongjana gata public rang je akode name ramarang je akode name na mangi chum gata changa ino ni roknya aro jeba ino ramao regen chum kemukan niam ni kita taken je mam tarang ba ino niam ni ko sako unja woni men lakan name ramarango gari salchina aro lakan safely ongya tasami je chiri pe chum chi sokang pachina aro kemukan molinga niam nako jarchina aro name kami ramatang ko follow kai aro mamang renga chagri na ramatang ko salchasina aro especially jerangan light rangko ongayong je ki chakhali acham ba high beam light rangko chakhalinga barang kha sapai antang niam ni kita tapachina okay
jong ga DTO ngi betas ngi la ya dan lang bati SP bari DC mencek igi driver ki bomdan license bati kali ki ba bu ki batait yong ki bomdeng seat belt ki bomdeng helmet yang nila ya cek lu dia kata nang ni sakmat nang cek man laki ipor but ai kublai kamtam e baro baki la ya tre lang benkat ban cek gini ki violation ba niki kali banyak kali sangat kerja department jongi ngini ai cek man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini kisni bun haki accident kija gayap ki bril bun ba yap accident ni nak kata kada ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking jingsang nakalia ko office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test tang ba ya kan ni banyak damit te ngim jingsang ju le hi ban test banyak kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ngi ya pen mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mendai ban pen me ki high beam pornya kali damit nang ba untuk bawan nakawi ka site katabak mat nyui ba bun sin din nakata kadao sa jaga accident me jingsha akitui ki ba apply license bakin one hi da ladi mendai ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya baik ka kam jongki em jingsha ya kalana license kan support at least si banai then hadin si banai de kila nang banyak kila nang ban nadong sadong tengi sa ai license hadin si banai
police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives. What we are observing is that the violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.
Day before yesterday also you guys were here. So there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one-time affair. It should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that. Our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi, same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message. Don't violate the rules, because life is more important than anything else. So that is the whole thing.
Meghalaya Post.news.